And that, folks, is the wrap on the comedy of Herbal Concoctions. A whirlwind tour of the most amusing and, let's face it, downright bizarre DIY recipes known to humankind. From the zingy, supercharged energy elixir that could outpace a caffeinated squirrel, to the immortal youth serum with its mythical ingredients, unicorn tears and dragon scales, we've had a ball. And who could forget the love potion number 9, that intoxicating brew that promises to transform you into an irresistible charmer. Just remember to use it wisely, or you'll be fighting off admirers left, right, and center. Lastly, the Sleepytime Snuggle Tea, a soothing blend that promises to send you off to dreamland faster than a lullaby. It's got chamomile, lavender, and a dash of unicorn dust, of course, because why not? So there you have it, a hilarious romp through the world of DIY herbal concoctions. If you've learned anything today, it's that a sense of humor is a vital ingredient in any recipe. Remember, these recipes might not be scientifically sound, but they're guaranteed to make you laugh. And as they say, laughter is the best medicine. So, until next time, keep experimenting with your own hilarious recipes, keep laughing, and most importantly, keep enjoying the comedy of herbal concoctions. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more laughs and herbal antics, because who knows what we'll brew up next.